Hello everybody, welcome to my ILT Tech channel. And today video I'm gonna share with you how you can easily know whether your Windows 10 or 11 is activated or not. Go to your Windows search icon, then tap setting. You can directly go to this Windows update setting, but let me show you this way. Tap on setting, then scroll down, update and security, and at the left side box check for activation. And this is how to know, and my Windows is already activated. This is the way that you can check. Thanks for watching. If this video helps out for subscription. See you for the next video. Thanks.